welcome to Dieffenbacher. I want to welcome you to our Alpharetta headquarters. Dieffenbacher is a global machine manufacturer, and we are very blessed to call Forsyth County our home. With me, I have two very valued colleagues. It's Cole Martin, Key Account Manager and Modernization Manager in our organization, and Rolf-Dieter Krei, our Director After Sales, responsible for all service and spare parts activities. My name is Bernd Defland. I have the pleasure of serving as the President and CFO of Dieffenbacher US. In my next 1 or 2 minutes, I want to give you a very brief overview about manufacturing, why it's sexy to work in manufacturing, why it's good jobs in manufacturing, and what you maybe not know about manufacturing organizations. First of all, when you think about manufacturing, you might think it's a dirty job with no future career opportunities. Nothing could be further from the truth. As a global manufacturing company with over 1,600 employees worldwide, I can tell you we not just build machines, we design them, we engineer them, we have an R&D team, and they all work closely together so that we can form the future together. We think about them, we design it, we engineer it, we build it. Dieffenbacher, we are founded 1873. We are now the 5th generation of a global machine manufacturer headquartered in Eppingen, Germany. In North America, we have about 100 employees, with 60 in Canada and 30 and growing here in Alpharetta. We're in the wood panel industry. So what does that mean? We make board. It's a very growing business. As you see in the housing market, the housing industry, and Cole will speak about the different opportunities of wood in a little bit and fill you in. But looking at our organization, to give you an overview, beside the 1,600 global employees, we speak about 20 languages in our organization and have 20 different nationalities. So one of the benefits when you would work with a manufacturing company, with a global manufacturing company, is that you really see the global footprint, that you have a chance to speak with your international colleagues. And you might speak with a design team and engineers in Finland, you might speak with colleagues in Europe, you might speak with colleagues in Canada. So it really makes the world much more interesting. And on top of that, if you work for a family-owned organization, I think that's the best of everything, because we are big enough that you can grow, but small enough that you matter. With that, I want to hand it over to my colleague Cole Martin, who will tell us a little bit about wood market, the different kinds of products we do, and why we enjoy doing it.
Good. Hello. Thank you for this opportunity to talk to you a little bit about what we do, and to share the market in our area of knowledge and expertise. First thing I would like to tell you, the wood market is what I like to refer to as the biggest small market that exists. I can tell you, everybody that is in this knows everybody else. We're talking a multi-billion-dollar industry, and pretty much you can go to a show anywhere in the world and you will end up meeting the same people. They know you, they come up, they talk to you. Some of the things that we do, I'd like to point out some of the different products that are manufactured on our machinery. We have the front OSB, oriented strand board. It's a structural product. We have MDF, medium density fiber board. We have a laminate type board here, could be LVL, laminated veneer lumber, a thicker piece of MDF, some more as we go. But the areas that we handle, particle board, medium density fiber board, laminated veneer lumber, oriented strand board, oriented strand lumber, and long strand lumber, all of which are manufactured on our machinery. It is a great industry. It is something I have been in for over 35 years now. Would not go anywhere else. I've had the opportunity to work for several different companies, Dieffenbacher being the best that I have worked for. It's family owned, and we have a little over 1,600 employees worldwide, but I have the chairman and the CEO of the entire company in Germany's cell phone, and I could call him tonight and have no problem talking to him for anything. It is a great industry. We are looking for someone to move into sales with us. So if that's an opportunity, we would really like the opportunity to talk to you about it.
All right. Well, thank you very much. And I would like to talk a little bit about the operations that we have here in Alpharetta, mainly on the support of our customers, of the Dieffenbacher customers here in North America, which is in Canada, US, and Mexico. We're supporting about 120 factories in that area. And when we talk about the wood industry, you know, it has a long history, as we already heard. You know, the oldest plants that we support are about more than 50 years old. But we are also building new plants right now. And so it's a well matured technology that we are using here, but it's also, you know, we are talking also about equipment that is already 45, 50 years old that we have to still support. So that is interesting when we talk about, you know, a role that we are looking for some support here in the service arena. We're looking for a service engineer that feels comfortable in all the basic technologies that are used, and that is in the mechanical field, hydraulic field, electric, mechatronic, also automation, of course. And we look for somebody who is comfortable there, but is also comfortable in working with our customers, be open-minded, and also has a caring personality. So someone who is willing to support them, to find solutions, and enjoys the work with the customer. So that's important. We will support this person, of course, here from the office by giving the right documentation with him and the right material and the right parts. But it has to take some personality to survive in the service arena, of course, but it's also fun, it's interesting and challenging at the same time. And hopefully that would be something for you also from Georgia Tech.
I'd like to mention the industries and where our product that is manufactured on our machinery. By the way, our machinery is not something that you would see sitting on a tabletop. We're talking about machines that may be as long as 600 feet long, as wide as 40 feet wide, and 25 to 30 feet tall. These are very large machinery. It manufactures product that is being used in structural for building of houses, such as OSB and laminated veneer lumber, being used in home decor for furniture, for frames, again for LVL and frames, also the substrate for countertops, and all of this. It is used in many, many places. And I failed to add one thing also. We have a machine that manufactures now wood insulation material, a very green insulation that's starting to gain popularity. So we not only build the house, we build the material that builds the houses, but we also make material that insulates the houses.
So we hope we spiked some interest for you to join a global manufacturing organization with a US headquarters here in beautiful Forsyth County. We service, our machines are used in over 80 countries in the world. So even though we are a family-owned organization, we are a true global organization. And I want to end on a positive and fun fact about wood, which I think most of our folks don't know about it. Trees don't die because of old age. It's only insects or other reasons when trees go down, but it's never of old age. And the same as the trees, this industry is pulling strong and growing, as we see in the housing industry. So come and join a growing, flourishing company and industry. Thank you.